Good morning or afternoon or whatever time it is that you're watching this. So the question that was asked to me is, can you change the date and time on your computer? And the answer is yes. Specifically, someone had noticed that their time was off on all of their computers in their office, and asked if there was a way of, changing the date and time. Yes, you can manually change the date and time in Windows 10, although normally it is automatic. Microsoft usually manages that for you. So let me show you where that's at. You go down to your date and time here, and you do a right click. And then you go to adjust date and time. And if you look in the date and time, you'll see that time is set automatically. So what happens is when your computer first connects to the internet, it goes and talks to one of the time clocks somewhere in the United States, and gets the time and brings it back. And this is really important for Windows who have computers who have Windows 10, that it goes out and automatically does this and comes back. Older operating systems, Windows 7, XP, Vista, once you set the date and time, then the computer itself kept track of the time. It wasn't internet based. And what you could do is you can actually go in here and actually turn it off, and then you could turn it back on. And if your time is off, it should adjust your date and time accordingly down here at the bottom. However, if you are using a synchronized system, or if you want to sync the time to your phone, you can turn this off turn off the automatic, and you can make the change manually. And here you can adjust it to whatever device in your office or in your home that you want to synchronize it to. However, and this will then put it into local control for your computer and not through Microsoft. You will have to occasionally check it though to make sure that the times are accurate between the timepiece device that you're using and the individual computer. But that's how you change that. And normally, like I said, it is automatic. So if your time was not set to automatic, you just click it and turn it on, and it will adjust the date and time accordingly. And if you want to use some other means of tracking your time, you turn it off and you change it. So that would be my first thoughts on that. That's how you can do that. Like I said, if you want to synchronize it to a phone, because every provider uses a slightly different time provider, you can certainly do that. I know Apple has their own provider for time. Microsoft uses one of the atomic clocks, or various atomic clocks throughout the United States. But yeah, there you go. Or, you could do the sync now, and it will check it against the time system. And as you can see, it adjusted my time a little bit. 4 seconds, I think. So that's how you do that. And if you have a laptop and you need it to automatically adjust your time zone if you travel across the United States, you can set that to do that too. So that's how you change your clocks and your times on your computers with Windows 10. Most everyone has that. Like I said, Microsoft tracks that automatically for you. However, if it is off, you can go in and resynchronize it, or turn off this automatic and turn it back on. It resyncs it at that point. And if you want to use some other type of timekeeping device, I have clients who use their alarm systems in their offices as their timepiece for the entire office. That way, the timestamp on the alarm system is the timestamp for everything in the office. So that's just one thing you can use. So hopefully that helped. Like I said, you can go to every computer, and like I said, you just do right click, go into adjust date time, and you can either do this is how it used to be done before this was added. So that's how you do it. So, and it's easier to do it that way than to try and manually do it. So hopefully that helps, answer the question and how you can do that. I'll talk to you all later. Thank you.